What's up, world? It's your boy Ken and Corey, man, and I'm here in Playa Del Carmen at the Ocean Riviera Paradise Resort. It's a really dope hotel. They picked it out. We're on our vacation, and I want to show you guys the room real quick. Is that cool? Can I show you guys the room? All right, follow me. Let's go ahead and just get it started. I don't even want to waste y'all time. So as soon as you come in, this is the bathroom. Y'all gotta check out that bathtub. It's lit. I don't even know what type of tub it's called. Babe, what type of tub is it?
It's a garden.
It's a garden
well,
tub.
It's a regular tub, but it's deep like a garden.
But it is deep, so I think it's dope. Babe thought it was a little dirty, but I don't know. Yeah, it's a little dirty. I say a little ring right now. But it's a nice tub. I mean, nice bathroom. It has 2 sinks. His and her sinks. We do have the walk-in shower here. I do like the look like the rainfall or waterfall shower.
We gonna be nasty now.
we gonna bleep it out because this is a kid-friendly channel. So they like to show people's closets. I know you guys don't really care. Closets are closets. I'm just gonna let y'all just get like a quick little peek. I think you even got a blow dryer in here. I don't know what it is. Safe. A couple of drawers if you want to use the drawers, depending on how long you're gonna actually be here. But this is what you guys are really waiting for. This is the actual room here. What kind of suite is this?
This is the rooftop junior suite.
The rooftop junior suite. As you guys can see, you got like a really dope, what's that called, the princess type of bed?
It's a canopy bed.
Canopy bed is dope. Without the canopy, but I just like the fact that they got the little shirt that went around.
It's a canopy frame.
If they had actually some type of curtains or something, just to make it feel more romantic. Speaking of romantic, they told us that this is our anniversary. And it almost is, so I'm gonna go with it. And whenever it's your anniversary, I guess they kind of welcome you into the room with some strawberries, some quick little treat, chocolate covered strawberries for you and Babe to enjoy. Got a nice little living room over here. You guys can check that out as well. It's like almost basic, but at the same time it's dope. And of course, you got the views. Can't forget the views. I'll play Del Carmen. I don't know what the hell that was. Alright, so one of the things I think really kind of sold us on this hotel is the fact that they have like a walk-up entry rooms. It's like water, like pretty much just integrated all throughout the hotel, which I think is just really, really dope.
It's called a swim up, baby.
Huh?
It's a swim up suites.
Yeah, well, you know, so you got the swim up rooms. And then we got the beach. You probably can't see that on this device, but far in the distance you can actually see the ocean. If you guys want to go and check it out, the Gulf of Mexico, or you know what I'm saying, go check, swim with some sea turtles and dolphins and stuff. But you know what? It's something I really want. I want Babe to complete the tour because she's so cute and she's really good at explaining things. And I'm putting her on spot. But I just feel like the rest of the tour she's gonna really kill it, y'all.
Alright, so what Corey did not tell you is some of the amenities. So whenever we travel, my favorite thing to get is an all-inclusive resort, right? A lot of people get hotels because they're cheaper, but what they don't know is that when they go to a hotel, they're still gonna have to pay for their drinks, their alcohol, their food. Here at our all-inclusive suite, we have at least 10 restaurants and bars, and we get access to all of the food and drinks there. But they will stock up our refrigerator all day, all night. Okay, right now it's pretty simple, but then if we tell them we want certain things, they'll stock it up, and all that is included in the price. Now, the reason why I chose this specific hotel, I actually transferred us from a different hotel, is because for the same price, we were able to get this 5-star hotel. And guys, wait until you see this. Not this. Okay, so we are now in the 2nd floor of our suite, and we have a upstairs bathroom. If you're upstairs, you don't feel like going all the way downstairs, you can come here and shower, what you're gonna need after doing this, okay? So this specific suite is the rooftop suite. Rooftop jacuzzi suite. Alright, so we have our private jacuzzi hot tub. We got views for days. Guys, this place is amazing. Me and Corey and I, we have about 16 guests from all over the U.S. that traveled here to Mexico to party with us, and we're gonna have them all here tonight, so be on the lookout for that video. And we have plenty of space to entertain. So, I'm gonna let Corey wrap it up.
Appreciate that, babe. Look, great job. You know what I'm saying? I love you. Proud of you. Mwah. All right, y'all. Keep flipping around. Okay. All right. I just want to say thank you guys for tuning into the channel. I hope you guys, probably if you guys are watching this video, you're probably interested in staying at this hotel or the resort or just check it out in general. So I wanted to make this video so you guys can possibly learn something and help you with your own purchasing decision.
Make sure you book with us though.
And if you guys want to do it, book with us. And also make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the video so we can continue to reach out to more people and be able to fund doing more things like this. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to go find some food. Show them the view, babe.